Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Biology Objective Past Question 12. So you have a setup, an experimental setup, and you're asked, the setup directly measures A. Transpiration of water by the shoot, B. Evaporation of water from the leaves, C. Absorption of water by the shoot, D. Loss of mineral salts from the leaves. So this experimental setup you have here is for measuring transpiration pool, or what is known as force of transpiration, or force exerted by transpiration. Now, transpiration is the loss of water from the surface of leaves by evaporation. So this setup is used to demonstrate the force exerted by transpiration, and as is shown here, you have a reservoir containing water or some other liquid. You could also have mercury contained in the reservoir. So in this setup, what you have is that as water evaporates from the leaves, water or whatever liquid is in the reservoir will be taken up the capillary tube, and as it's taken up the capillary tube, you'll be able to measure the force or the pull that transpiration carries out. So as we have rightly established, transpiration of water by the shoot, which is option A, is what this setup is designed to measure. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.